Hi there, this is Clint with Clint's Classic World. Remember that 1970 Dodge Challenger RT 446 pack shaker that we were working on? Do you remember that car? It was tubbed, raced out. Well, we have some updates here. So subscribe to my channel and let's check out the updates on that Challenger. Well, there you have it, folks. The 1970 Dodge Challenger RT 446 pack Super Track Pack shaker car. It's coming together slowly. It's been a long time, but as you see, we had to take the whole rear end, pretty much the whole back half of that car, almost completely off the car, and then bring in a lot of new metal and install that, or even some old metal from other vehicles, and put those back in there to create a whole solid piece with frame rails, factory frame rail setup, so that we can go back and restore this thing to its original type specs. Subscribe to my channel, and I will keep you updated on this project and other projects I'm working on. See you next time.